Hi guys, today you're watching Sundays with Victoria. Today I'm going to be showing you some crafts.
Scientists don't do that.
Hi guys. Oh! Nikes! Today you're watching Sundays with Victoria. Making jokes and making s'mores. Stop the camera. Me and my friends were camping, and I found these awesome canvases, and I had to show you. You can make funny mouths, you can make flat mouths, you can make little skinny mouths, or you can make reindeer mouths. So let's get started. Make sure you have a bunch of brushes for all of your different colors. Make sure you get a skinny brush like this. Step 1, the white and a circle wise. So like this, get a dab. You'll circle this around, leave a little dot in the middle, circle the other one around. Then you add the black. You don't need to use a lot because you're just doing one little eye. The next step is going to be the weird face. What colors we're going to be using is going to be white again. You don't have to make the same ones. You can make any ones. Next color will be red. Got the nose. Now we're doing the mouth. And finished. This is a finished reindeer. I'll make like a little Christmas tree. All my different colors. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna add your glue onto the tree. And it's dripping. Now you get to dip it in here. A little bit. It's splattered everywhere. I'm pouring them all together. Let's pour it. Whoa, that looks cool. Shake all the extraness off. I think we're gonna do the other side now. Add some more glue to this. I'm making a mess. I love making messes because I always so have to clean up. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna mix. Whoa. Spread it like this, so it's not like big glob everywhere. Oh, yeah. I think I'm gonna add a little paint on this tree to make it little touches. Put some color on here. Makes great. A little paint on there. I actually was born to make arts and crafts. If you guys didn't know that. The fun thing I'm gonna do right now is put my hands in it. Ah! Zach!
What's up? Oh, whoa! Is that all glue?
Yeah! Thanks for watching Sundays with Victoria. Bye!
Don't make any more messes. Remember, I have to clean it. Stop.
See, I'm losing my guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends.